Hey, this is Paul from Music Villa, Bozeman, Montana, and today I'm at the Martin factory with Tim Teal, product design specialist here at Martin, and we are going to go through a couple of new guitars that have just come out. This model's been out before, the SC line.
The SC started in 2020.
2020, yep, and it's been great. We love it. We've had it for, you know, we've had many of them and sold them, and they're wonderful. I would call it a stage guitar, you know, just, you know, the gist of it, just so people know, and then I'm going to let you talk about the new ones. You guys developed this, and it's made in the Mexico factory, right?
Yeah, the SC18 was the first one.
SC18, and that's an incredible guitar. And it's basically, you can see this body shape, the cutaway, the neck is adjustable in many ways. It's a great guitar. It's a stage guitar. It's comfortable. But tell us a little bit about the beginning of that, how that started, and what we're dealing with now with the new ones.
When the project first was conceptualized, we wanted to not only launch a product line in Mexico, but we also wanted to launch a product line here in Nazareth. It's such a large project. It was took a lot of resources, and we quickly realized that we can only launch this product in one place at a time. We chose Mexico because of the price point. We felt it would hit a larger audience, and it did. Very quickly, though, we were getting comments from people we'd bring in and test them, and they'd play them, and they're like, "Man, this thing's incredible. I love it. But you know, when you guys going to do a 28? When you guys going to do an 18?" And so we're like, yes, it'll happen. So, you know, fast forward 3-4 years. Now we're looking at a custom shop version we did first, just to kind of get the tooling proved out. It was a beautiful guitar.
Beautiful guitar. I had one of those. Those were wonderful.
And while we're in development of that, we also realized that some of the commentary is, you know, I love the sound of the SC13 and the SC10, but something made here in Nazareth, I expect a little bit more out of it, you know, in terms of the bass. And, you know, because of this asymmetrical, it actually gives you greater access to the playing position, which is very comfortable.
It really is. It is. Right. Just so people know, it has got incredible feel. It's thinner like a triple O or no. It's not dreadnought.
No.
And the way it sits in your lap, your arm isn't kicked up. I mean, it
has a very natural
feel. The neck is amazing. But I was, you know, I looked at a chart. I was telling you, I saw this chart, and because you look at it and you're like, well, a dreadnought's way bigger. But there is a lot of
the bass is actually on par. It's just a tighter waist, and then But we did, because of this asymmetrical shape, you know, it's trade-off. So you get greater comfort, but you're losing some dimension here, which affects the bass of the guitar. So we wanted to get that bass response back, and how we accomplish that, this is exclusive to Nazareth-made SCs. There is what we're calling, and this is patented already, this is an internal recurve. So usually recurves, you think of like an archtop guitar, and you're recurving this area to give it a little bit more flexibility. We're doing that, but on the inside. And we're really focusing that recurve, and you can see it here, where it's a little bit deeper as it goes, and it starts narrow and it widens out, and it gets to its deepest point.
And it's just a thinner,
and then comes
thinner part of the top.
And we've experimented with, you know, how deep we can go and all that, and what effect it has on the tone. And we're able to bring back some of that growl that you're used to on a 28 and an 18. It's just a wonderful fit for the standard series.
It's a great line. I mean, obviously we're talking about a stage guitar, plug it in, perform. But I would sit on the couch with this too, because it's just so comfortable.
It is, and it's a long scale.
Which is interesting, because it doesn't feel like a long scale.
It feels like a short scale.
It does. It feels, and that's because the neck here is joins at the 13th fret instead of the 14th. Right. So this is back.
So it puts your bridge at a sweet spot for the shape of the guitar.
It's really cool. And the neck shape.
And then I got to say too, with the ergonomics of the neck, and the Sureline neck system, even though it joins at the 13th fret, it feels like it joins at the 18th fret because you can get all the way up, right? And you know, on most cutaways, you still hit something, right? This one, you get all access all the way up to. But the barrel of the neck actually has our same velocity, high velocity barrel shape that we did on the original SC. So ergonomically, it fits when you're doing normal cowboy chords, and then as you start doing bar chords, it shifts to a middle section, and then as you get up on the neck to do leads, it actually switches the other way.
You can feel it. It just feels really comfortable.
And to add a little bit of tradition, put that diamond volute in there.
Gotta have that. That's amazing. Great guitars, easily adjustable. Sounds great. They plug in nice.
Two options for plugging in. These guitars we're showing today have the LR Baggs Anthem. Great system. We also offer them with the Fishman Aura VT blend. And the blend is a new high definition Aura. So with the blend, you can blend as much in or out as you want. And because it's now the new high def image, you can play at 100% Aura image even on stage versus before you 100% you'd want to plug into a computer.
You can emulate other
types of
guitars.
This is just itself. So when we go up to Fishman, we take this guitar up. They use a number of high-end studio quality microphones.
I gotcha.
Those microphones add a little bit of character. And so that's kind of what we're gauging our selection from. And we're selecting one of those images that seem to work the best given the design of the guitar and the type of woods.
We'll have to dig into those pickups. I'm gonna have to really check those out.
They're pretty cool.
Yeah, they are cool. I know every time I plug in any of these, whatever pickups were in them, they all sounded great. So, so we've got the SC18, which is your mahogany. Just like in the standard lineup, you got an 18 and a 28. 28 is the rosewood, 18 is the mahogany, so that's the new SC18 and 28. Now available. I think we got ours in, and they're going to be great. We're looking forward to it. It's always a pleasure coming out to the factory here. You guys are great. You're designing cool stuff.
Thank you.
And
nice to have you.
Everyone that works here is it's a joy coming out here to the factory and seeing the close to 200-year-old company. It's pretty incredible.
191 years this year.
It's amazing. So Tim, thanks for all you guys do, and thanks everyone for watching.